If you've been logged out of your YouTube account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the YouTube sign-in page. Go to the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button. This will direct you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your YouTube account and click on Next. When prompted for your password, click on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be asked to verify your identity through various methods such as receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated field. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Sign in with new credentials. After successfully resetting your password, return to the YouTube sign-in page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your YouTube account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.